Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to download a Git bash. So the Git bash is a command line tool to execute a Git commands. So let's go to the browser and search download Git bash. Here you can see the first link. Okay, so open this first link from the Git. So here you can see you can download it for Mac OS, Windows and Linux operating system. So I will be downloading for Windows, right? So here you can see the option download for Windows. And then you can click here to download the latest version, right, of the Git for 64-bit. So let's click save it. Okay, so setup is downloaded in the download folder. Now open the download folder and run this setup. So it is asking you to allow this app to make the changes in your device. I say yes. Then click on the next. So click on the next, next, next. Click on the next. Okay, so now you can see the installation is completed, right? And you can click on the launch Git bash, right? So it is installation is completed. So if you want to open the Git bash from the Windows, so let's go to the Windows and type Git bash, right? So this is the Git bash is installed. Okay, that's all from this video. Thanks for watching.